How many of you all have done a press release for your company? It's a documentation containing information about the event happening. Can be related to an institution, government, organization, or corporate entity. Released to media officially to spread public or audience. Like for example, if you have a merger or an acquisition also, if you want to let the audience know through a press release, you will hold like a press release and then inform the whole public that it is a merger that has happened or an acquisition. Okay. What do you do? Press release.
But the official statement about that person on something, like on National Youth Day on January, we had a special program there, motivational speakers and all that talk. For that, we have done this. For an event.
Speakers basically for an event. And in that, probably there are a lot of information which they wanted to first release it to the news on news channels that they would let out. Okay, so yeah. So what is a press release? Any information that you first want to release to the media is press release.
It is like a mouthpiece from our source, so like
yeah, basic. Yeah. Okay. So basically there may be rumors, but when the people actually want to come out and hold a press release, and then you know that what they've been saying is actually a reliable source, or whether the rumors, they want to shut down the rumors, or they want to say that yes, this is what has been happening, they come out and voice out, probably presenting the brand or what has been happening to clear out the rumors, or whatever new projects they want to go ahead with, any information that they first want to give out to the media. Yeah.
Yesterday I have done
what?
Based on this rumor thing. See, that kind of press release is different than this rumor kind of press release. Like this rumor kind of press release is like you just have to give a statement in the social media. But that press release is like you have to really give a copy of the press release for each and every national news media. Both are lots of difference are there. Style of press release.
So the rumor that you cleared was clear. I mean,
Cleared by just social media. Like we had our social media channels so that they can now we can send each and
okay. You all officially announced basically.
There is no any consequences like your anticipation of
yeah, that is different. When you are to the media, publish this, yes. So what is press release? When you yourself give out information to the media or publication houses to go ahead and release the news. First time information. Clear, short and brief. First time information. Okay, so how do you go about it? Find a good story with an angle. Write your headlines. Include quotes, include all the information, include the projects that are coming up. Whatever information basically that you want to give up. Yeah. Okay. Now coming to resume writing, what is the difference between a resume and a CV? No, that's a cover letter. No, there is a difference. No, there is difference actually. Yeah, CV is more broad. Resume is short. Short in the sense when you are writing a CV, you will be addressing it like, for example, if you want to enter the government field, or if you want to apply for academics and all, that time everything in detail, your every job that is listed, you will have a detailed job description. Your ambitions, your goals, and everything will be a lot more in detail for a CV. For resume, everything is short. Means I worked from so-and-so to so-and-so, my education was so-and-so to so-and-so, it is very brief. But CV is a very broad perspective to whatever you're writing in a resume, it's an elaborate version. Everything you will write, your whole career path and everything. Yeah, specific. To an end. No, it's just basically an elaborate version of your resume. Like even for example, if you're writing a CV for academics, if you want to enter into the academics field, so you will write a detailed description of your whole job experiences, job description from work 1, job description work 2, everything in detail. So that is a CV. So private.
He has done 12 degrees, 3 PhDs, and his CV is around 280 pages.
Oh my God.
280 pages CV.
How many?
The Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what into academic field, no? You have to be very specific. But 280.
We have to write a resume on that CV. He just has to mention how many degrees, how many PhDs.
Yeah, how many degrees, how many PhDs, and where he has worked. But because it is a CV, it is touching so many pages because everything he has written in detail. Again, whatever degrees, maybe he may mention again and elaborate the projects that were taken, the studies that were taken, all of that in detail, everything is explained in a CV. Okay, now the types of resume formats. How many of you all have a fancy resume? Fancy in the sense something very fancy, not the same old white and black with the normal. Yeah, so, okay. Yeah, from Canva. On Canva, you can select the different resume formats. Yeah, so you can use Canva to come up, since you all are into this creative field, instead of having the same mainstream boring white and black. So it's nice to have an updated CV, and you can choose formats from Canva.
So I graduated from 25 years back.
Now you can have
it.
it.
It is called as biodata.
Okay.
Now only it's become like resume, CV.
Okay. Now I think biodata is more for now. More for marriage, no? That time it was for. They'll write now the guy, he will write his salary, where he's working. Then what they'll write? Oh, that and all they'll write in biodata, yeah. It's like a okay. Short description on shadi.com. That will be a biodata, the description, short description. You're wondering.
I'm wondering how you're supposed to write.
Huh?
No way, that is not going to happen.
Okay, the types of resume formats. First, we have the reverse chronological resume. In the reverse chronological resume, this is ideal for people with a lot of experience. So the latest job will be listed first. Reverse chronological resume. Then you have skill-based resume. Here you do not have much experience. Here you will be focusing on the skills that you have. Yeah, students, freshers, or if you want a career change. Okay. Then you have a combination, skill-based. For freshers, students, applying for internship and all, you will specify the skills because you don't have any work experience to portray. Then you have a combination. Combination is you do not have extreme experience, so you're balancing it out with the skills and your best resume layout is something that is neat, clear with bullets and it's not too cluttered. It should be between 1 to 3 pages. Okay. Clear headings, ample spacing, and a font that is easy to read. Because a complete stranger is reading, so it has to be appealing for them to go ahead and read your resume.